we moms are just incredible. And when we bring new little loved ones into the family, it really puts them first. And so we as moms take kind of a back seat, and that includes what we feed ourselves. Certainly to eat healthy as a new mom means having what you need available. That's kind of like the very basic, is that you have to get the grocery shopping, your helper and your husband or your older children have to get some of the groceries in. You kind of have to have some healthy items in the house. You may not always get to eat them. Lunchtime could just come and go and you've eaten nothing. But you certainly want to have available. And things that are very quick and easy. I mean, yogurts and cheeses and sandwiches and lean turkey and tuna fish. I mean, there are a lot of quick and easy kinds of things. Some of those frozen dinners, such as Healthy Choice and Lean Cuisine. I mean, if we're really in a rut, I'd rather we eat that than eat nothing. It's very important. If we're going to have the energy to take care of someone else, we truly have to be able to make some decent choices. And I think one of the main things in being a healthy mom is to try and get your 3 meals in, because that in itself can sometimes be awfully difficult. And as the children get older, it should be easier to eat healthy because we want them to see what we do. So you have to sit down and eat breakfast with them. And because you're going to make your house healthy, it's going to be that much easier for you. Sometimes, we're so exhausted that we just want to grab whatever's around. So the less we have of those kinds of foods, the easier that will be on us as well. And so it's very important to continue to eat, your salads and your sandwiches on whole grain breads and fruits and easy pick-me-up kind of a thing. Calcium is very important, especially if moms are breastfeeding. Milk intake and dairy intake is extraordinarily important for the growth of the baby and for the mommy's bones. And so those are some of the things that could keep us healthy. Of course, the tip of the iceberg is for mom to be able to get out and do a walk here and there. But we have to be really wonderful jugglers to be able to add some of that physical activity to our worlds. But that's incredibly helpful as well.